The title of Unit 5, Windows and Mirrors, Providing Perspectives. We are learning chapter 1st, Algebraic Expression. In previous class, I had explained about how to find degree of polynomials and types of polynomials. Now today I am going to explain how to find the value of algebraic expression by using substitution method. Keep heading. Finding value of algebraic expression. Finding value of algebraic expressions. Finding value of algebraic expression. We want to find out the value of algebraic expression by using substitution method. Substitution method. Yes. What is this method, students? Concentrate everyone first. Don't write anything. First concentrate. What is substitution method? Concentrate everyone. Stop writing everyone. Augusta, stop writing. Suppose I have written one expression 2x plus 3. The value of x I have given 1. I request everyone stop writing, concentrate here. I have given one expression 2x plus 3. The value of x I have given 1. What is the substitution method? It means whatever variable value they have given, I want to replace with that. In the place of x, I want to substitute 2. 2x means 2 into x. 2x means 2 into x plus 3. Now in the place of x, I want to substitute 1. It means we will get here 2 into 1 plus 3. Again we have to apply BODMAS rule. First multiplication operation. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 equals 5. Don't write, listen carefully first. What is substitution method? Whatever variable value they have given, that variable I want to replace with that numbers. Now in the place of x, I have substituted 1. One more example I am writing, concentrate here. Don't write anything. I will give concept also, don't worry. First concentrate here. Suppose I am writing here x minus 7. The value of x I have given 10. It means in the place of x, I want to substitute 10. Then in the place of 10, I will write, in the place of x, I will write 10 minus as it is, 7 as it is. 10 minus 7 equals 3. This method is called substitution method. Note down this concept. Substitution is a method Note down this concept. It's a very interesting concept. Substitution is a method Substitution is a method that is used to find the number value Substitution is a method that is used to find the number value of an algebraic expression by replacing the letters with numbers. By replacing the letters means variables. By replacing the letters with numbers. Number means constant. This method is called substitution method. Underline this concept. Replacing the letters with numbers. Example 1. If x is equal to 4, evaluate x plus 20. In this question, he has given expression x plus 20 and the value of x he has given 4. It means I want to find out the value of x plus 4 when x plus 20 when x is 4. Very simple question. Expression is binomial, two unlike terms, x plus 20. The value of x he has given 4. It means just now I have given concept to you. What is the meaning of substitution? By replacing letters with numbers. Now letters is what? X is variable. I want to replace with numbers. What is number here? The value of x he has given 4. It means in the place of x, I want to substitute 4. 4 plus 20 equals 24. In the place of x, I have substituted 4. 4 plus 20 is equal to 24. Example 2. Example 2. Find the value of 2x plus 5 if, first question, x is equal to 0, second question, x is equal to 2, and third question, x is equal to 5. There are 3 questions in this second question. Find the value of 2x plus 5. First time I want to substitute in the place of x 0, then we can find out the answer. And second time in the place of x I want to substitute 2, and third time I want to substitute with 5. Okay, no problem. We are going to solve this question. Observe here everyone how to solve this question. This question is also very easy question. Only three questions they have given. Previously we were solving only one question. No problem. Algebraic expression he has given 2x plus 5. First question he has given if x equals 0. It means in the place of x, I want to substitute 0. 2x means 2 into x. 2x means 2 into x. The value of x is 0 plus 5. We are, if I want to multiply any number with 0, we'll get answer 0. 0 plus 5 equals 5. First question. Second question he has given, if x equals 2, then what is expression? 2x plus 5. In the place of x, I want to substitute 2. 2x means 2 into x. 2 into x value, he has given 2 plus 5. Again, BODMAS rule. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Third question he has given, if x is equal to 5, then what is the value of 2x plus 5? It means in the place of x, I want to substitute 5. 2x plus 5, the value of x he has given 5. 2x means 2 into x, the value of x is 5 plus 5. Again, BODMAS rule, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 5 equals 15. Means variables we want to replace with numbers, yeah, constant. Make it fast, everyone. Find the value of 2x plus 5. If x is equal to 0, it means in the place of x, I want to substitute 0. 2 into 0 means 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Second question he has given, if x is equal to 2, then what is the value of 2x plus 5? In the place of x, I have substituted 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9. And third question, find the value of 2x plus 5 if x is 5. In the place of x, I have substituted 5. 2x means 2 into x. The value of x is 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Example 3. Find the value of example 3. Find the value of find the value of 2x plus 3y minus 4 if x equals 2 and y equals 3. Here two variable I have added, x and y. In previous question only one variable was there, no problem. X and y value he has given, I want to substitute. No problem, don't worry. Solution. What is algebraic expression here? 2x plus 3y minus 4. The value of x he has given 2. The value of y he has given 3. It means in the place of x, I want to substitute 2. In the place of y, I want to substitute 3. 2x means what? 2x means 2 into x plus as it is. 3y means what? 3 into y minus as it is, 4 as it is. Now in the place of x, I want to substitute 2. 2 I will write same, into I will write same. In the place of x, I want to substitute 2 plus as it is. In the place of 3, I will write 3 as it is into. The value of y is what? 3 minus 4. I have to simplify. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 4. Next, again we have to apply BODMAS rule. There is no division symbol, no problem. Multiplication symbol also not there, no problem. Addition is there, yes. Plus 4 plus 9, both are positive. And here minus 4 plus 4 is there. We can add, no problem. 13 minus 4 equals 9. Or we can solve like that. 4 plus 9 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Answer is also 9. Make it fast, everyone. Two x means 2 into x. The value of x is 2. The value of y is 3. 2 2s are 4. Plus 3 3s are 9. Minus 4 as it is. Plus 4 minus 9. Plus 4 plus 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Or plus 4 minus 4 you can cancel out. Answer we are getting 9. Example 4. Find the value of x minus y plus 20 if x equals 2 and y equals 1. This question also simple question. Expression A is given x minus y plus 20. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. It means in the place of x, I want to substitute 2 minus as it is. In the place of y, I want to substitute 1 and plus 20 as it is. Again, we have to apply BODMAS rule, addition and subtraction. Plus 2 plus 20, 22 minus 1 equals 21. In BODMAS rule, first division, multiplication, addition, then last we'll do subtraction. 20 plus 2, 22 minus 1 is 21. Make it fast, everyone. Next question, example 5. Example 5. A car travels a car travels a car travels down the freeway a car travels down the freeway at 55 kilometer per hour. Write an expression write an expression write an expression for write an expression for the distance write an expression for the distance the car will have traveled the car will have traveled after h hours. Only is asking write this expression means statement we have to write. A car travels down the freeway at 55 kilometer per hour. It means speed of car he has given 55 kilometer per hour. Note down speed of car equals 55 kilometer per hour and time he has given time taken equals h hours. Now he is asking write an expression for the distance. Now distance traveled distance traveled by car. What is formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Speed he has given 55 and time he has given h. Answer is 55h. Distance traveled by car distance traveled by car equals 55h. Now distance we can denote with d. Then d is equal to 55h. This is our algebraic expressions. D is equal to 55h. How we got this d? The symbol of distance is d. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Speed of car is given, time taken h hours. Now distance traveled by the car equals speed into time. Speed is 55 km per hour and time he has given h hour. Then distance traveled by the car equals 55h. Now distance we are denoted by capital D. D is equal to 55H is our algebraic expression. Yes. Question number 6, note down. Question number 6. Example 6, everyone, note down. Example 6. Yes, note down. Ram weighs Ram weighs 70 kilograms, comma. Mark weighs Mark is not or subject marks. This is Mark is one person name. Mark weighs, weight means weight, okay. Ram weighs 70 kilograms. Mark weighs small k kilograms. Write an expression. Write an expression for their combined weight. For their combined weight. Ram weight is 70 kg. Mark weight is k kg. If I want to combine means plus या minus या into a division. Combined means plus या minus. Plus. It means combined weight of Ram and Mark is 70 plus k. Solution. Very simple question. Combined means addition. The combined weight the combined weight in kilograms of these two people, is the sum of their weights, which is, tell me students, which is 70 plus k. Combined means addition.